Assalamualaikum. We are National Center for Artificial Intelligence and we are here with Jazari, the humanoid robot, Pakistan's first ever 3D printed robot which is completely locally made in Pakistan.
I'm Jazari, humanoid robot created by Smart City Lab, NED University. Welcome to the CFO conference. How may I help you? Anything else?
The idea to make this robot is first of all to showcase the possibility and the potential in Pakistan to work on the humanoid robotics and artificial intelligence. हम यहाँ पे ICAP की CFO कॉन्फ्रेंस में अपनी रोबोट को डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करने आए हैं जिसका पर्पस है to interact with people and answer their queries through artificial intelligence. The robot is completely 3D printed and it's the first attempt in Pakistan to develop a locally made humanoid robot